If it's difficult for you to see the cause of to see poverty, then you must see the cause of poverty. The cause of poverty, the cause of being born in a difficult situation, environmental situation. The cause to be born in a difficult environmental situation where the food and water and sleeping and clothes, all that is very difficult, is directly related to anger. When you show anger to people all the time, real anger, you will be born in such an unpleasant society where getting things are very, very difficult. Then if you're afraid of poverty, poverty comes from having a miserly state. Not helping, not giving, and giving and helping with an agenda. Even when you give millions, but it's with agenda, it's not giving. So why do you think you're far away from all that? You're one breath away from a rebirth like that. One single breath away. You just die. And you wake up, that's it. What makes you feel you're impervious? People are afraid to look at death. People are afraid to look at poverty or old age. People are afraid to look at people suffering. Why are they afraid to look at it? Because deep down inside, subliminally, subconsciously, they know they can end up there. They know they will go there. So it's very hard for them to face and see death or talk about it or see poverty or see people on the streets. Why? They're deathly afraid of that. Why are they afraid? Because they know that they can end up there also. So they don't want to face it. My advice to you is face it. Face it, overcome it by practicing Dharma.